Make sure it's good and clean, baby girl. I guess I need to get you another feather toy too, huh? There we go. You all tuckered out now? Mama start videoing too late? Oh. You let it get past you. Oh no. Can you stop to give everybody a kiss goodnight? Can you kiss, kiss goodnight? Kiss, kiss goodnight. Whoa. Kiss, kiss. No, no. Oh, it's not gonna happen. Sorry, guys. I gotta keep an eye on the bird. Aw, we love you guys. Hope you're having a good night. Please kiss, kiss. Please kiss, kiss. No, just a super close up. All right. Have a good night, everybody.